Walk, walk, walk.
There you go. There you go. Much better.
Yay!
Job. Here's your cup. That was better. He only went down on me a couple times and then he immediately stood back up and started weight bearing.
Really? Yeah. And you can tell that he's proud of himself, too.
Yes. Good job. Do you want another bite? Let's go get another bite. Hold your cup. 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 Not letting you go down, dude. Good job. Good job. Bye.